Ever pondered how your smartphone can recognize your voice or how your email filters out spam almost flawlessly? What magic powers these applications? Welcome to the fascinating world of machine learning, the wizard behind the curtain. Machine learning, in its most basic form, is the process by which computers learn from data without being explicitly programmed. It's akin to teaching a toddler to recognize an apple. You don't program the child's brain with a detailed set of rules about apples. Instead, you show them several apples, point them out in books, and perhaps even let them taste one. Through this exposure, the child learns to recognize apples. Machine learning operates on a similar principle. Output. The process begins with what we call training data. This is a collection of examples that help the machine learn. The machine then uses algorithms, which are a set of instructions, to find patterns in this data. These patterns form the basis for making predictions or decisions without being specifically programmed to perform the task. Now let's distill this concept further. There are three main types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. In supervised learning, the machine learns from labeled data. Think of this as a teacher-student scenario. The teacher provides the student with problems and the correct answers. The student learns the pattern and applies it to new problems. In unsupervised learning, there are no labels, just the data. The machine must find patterns and relationships in the data on its own. It's like giving a child a box of Legos and letting them figure out what to build. Lastly, in reinforcement learning, the machine learns by trial and error. It performs an action, receives feedback, positive or negative, and adjusts its behavior accordingly. Imagine a mouse in a maze, learning to find cheese through trial and error. Now, why does all this matter? Because machine learning is the engine driving the future. It's behind the scenes in your email spam filter, your voice-activated assistant, even your recommended movies on Netflix. It's helping doctors diagnose diseases, meteorologists predict weather, and financial analysts forecast stock market trends. To summarize, machine learning is the process by which computers learn from data, similar to how humans learn from experience. It involves training data, algorithms, and types of learning, including supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. This intriguing field is not only shaping our present, but also paving the way for our future. Whether it's enhancing our daily lives or solving complex global problems, machine learning stands at the forefront of technological advancement. So the next time you marvel at a piece of technology, remember, it's not magic, it's machine learning.